What a beato.
Multiplying radicals. This is our equation here. We got the square root of 2 plus the square root of 5 squared. We're going to go out here. We're going to write it in expanded form. Sorry about that black thing over there. This little guy. But, yeah, so we're going to write it in expanded form. So this is going to be the square root of 2 and the square root of 5 times the square root of 2 and the square root of 5. And come over here and use the box method. And every one of those is going to, every set is going to be put on top and bottom and side or whatever. Okay. Who knows, dude? I don't know how to describe this.
Okay.
And then math genius over here is going to help me out and explain this.
Okay. You take the square root of 2, okay, and the square root of 2, right here, the two sides, and you multiply them together and you get the square root of 4, okay? And then, watch this, you take the square root of 2 and the square root of 5, okay, for right here, okay, and you have the square root of 10, okay? Now, are you watching? Okay. You got the square root of 5, and you got the square root of 2 again. Guess what that is? Guess what that's going to be?
Square root of 10.
That's
square root of 10.
Okay. And then lastly, okay, I'm going to switch it up on you. See the square root of 5? You go over, okay, and up, okay, and there's the square root of 5. So what are we going to multiply?
5 times 5 equals the square root of 25, my friend.
There you go. Okay, let's move on. Now here, okay, all we're doing is we're going to take all of our numbers from in here, and we're going to write them out and expanded form again. So we're going to have the square root of 4, okay, plus the square root of 10, plus the square root of 10 again, right there, and then plus the square root of 25. Okay.
I had this feeling when you came in.
Alright, and right here, this is where we are pretty much simplifying our square roots. So, as you see, the square root of 4 would be 2. And then we got the square root of 10 stays the same. The square root of 10 stays the same, and the square root of 25 is 5.
Okay, why does the square root of 10 stay the same?
The square root of 10 stays the same because there's nothing to simplify by, and there's nothing to bring out on the outside of the little square sign
What
here.
they have is they know more about
Why don't you show me?
Alright, and then there's this. We got our simplification done. Now we're just going to combine like terms. So we got 2 and 5 go together because they're whole numbers. So, and that is going to add up to 7.
Alright, and right here, lastly, we're going to take our square root of 10 and our square root of 10. Okay, if you come down here, Zach. Okay, square root of 10 and square root of 10. There's an imaginary 1 in front of both of them, right? So all you have to do, okay, is when their radicals are the same, you get to add them. So 1 plus 1 is 2, and then you keep the same radical, and it's 2 to the square root of 10. So then you have your 7 right here. So you bring your 7 from your 2 and your 5 over. So 7 plus 2 to the square root of 10, and there's your answer.
Yep, that's
it. Hold on, we gotta look at it. Hey.